Thompson Avenue, 0.5 miles. Then 381 feet, continue straight to stay on Thompson Avenue, and then 433 feet, turn right onto the ramp to Ed Koch Queensboro Bridge. That's it, Upper Broadway. It's 0.7 miles. East 62nd Street. Yeah, then use the left lane to take the ramp to FDR Drive. Yep. And then continue to Harlem River Drive.
You will be driving this back.
Yeah.
The one we are going now, you will drive it backwards.
Right.
Same road.
But I see a lot of names I don't see here, which I wonder why.
Oh, I use the same road.
Well, it does say FDR Drive here, so. Yeah, Harlem Drive, yes. Right. Yep, Ed Koch, Queensboro, yes, all that. Queens Boulevard, Van Dam Street, right? Borden Avenue.
Van Dam Street, they have it.
Yeah.
Van Dam Street.
Sounds like the same route. Yep. Okay. Alright, here's where it says slight right onto the ramp to Terminal 1 departures. Parts of this road may be closed at certain times or days. Okay, that might be a detour. Yeah.
It's like the same.
Yeah.
No, that's why I said just remember how you get off the airport. That's the main thing for me. When you get there, out, that's it.
Yeah.
That's why I say maybe stop somewhere with pen, write the steps.
Yeah.
For example, exit so big, exit this, exit so they know the step.
Right.
If you don't, I don't know if you are familiar with them, you remember, or so I said maybe you write them, and I put your phone too. It will help you to tell you during this.
Okay.
I have to put the phone too. Even you put it here.
Yeah.
It will help you.
Tells you what you're going to take as you go.
Look at the end, the road we are taking now. Look at the end of it, what it shows you. Okay. The one we are going now.
Okay.
This is the one?
Yeah.
So look at the end when it shows.
Okay.
All the
we have to. Well, right now we're.
Now look towards the end. I mean towards the end. Near the port where there is another one to stop somebody here on the left.
Yeah. Wow. They're out. It's a weekend too. Okay.
Close to the airport where it shows.
Oh, close to the airport.
This Kennedy.
Exit. Okay.
It's towards inside.
Yeah. It's Van Wyck Expressway ramp to Kennedy Airport, and then merge onto I-678 South.
Slight left, merge into I-678
South.
Continue on that
slight left, merge onto I-678. Yeah, it's just giving you the. and then to the Van Wyck Expressway. And that's where we get the right lane to take the Terminal 1.
From Expressway?
Yeah, from the Van Wyck. Yep. Okay. Most of the travel is on this right here.
What?
The road, the trip.
Here?
Most of it is here, on this Taconic. So we have to get to Sprainbrook Parkway South. That should be the next direction.
Your phone is charged.
Yes.
Maybe go to GPS now and put it while we are driving, save time, and set it there. And one. Slide to right onto the ramp, Terminal 1 departure. It says merge onto I-6678 South. Use the second from the right lane to stay on, which means all the way. Second from the right
stay
lane.
on.
Slide left, merge onto this, use the right lane. Terminal 1 departure, continue. Go back to it shows the direction underneath. You just
straight.
Once we get to Central Avenue, it won't be that much left.
Yep.
I'm
glad it's not raining.
Rain is okay, but just you have to go slow. Rain, you have to go slow.
Yeah.
Or slippery.
Hopewell Junction, I remember that. Park and ride. Here's Fishkill.
Fishkill.
Yeah.
Some names.
Yeah. Hopewell Junction. Yep. Here's gas and food. That's good. Yeah. Oh, memories.
Yeah, that's a good thing we came this way because you will missed your turn, my friend. You was going to turn maybe the other one.
No, he's going north, I guess.
I don't see that place I told you. Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, maybe it was further down.
I don't know. It's further down or further up.
Yeah.
This was a little high.
Yeah.
We were going back to Albany, and we looked down. You see no trees. It doesn't hide anything.
Yeah.
And you see the scenery, all the stuff down.
Yeah.
that I remember. All this slope, all this.
Yeah.
All this. But you maybe you will have a opposite, not slopes. You will have a steep. This is now slow, going down. Oh, your turn. It is busy, this road, and this is only Saturday, huh?
Yeah.
This is only Saturday. If you were in the other days, it will be very busy.
Well, it's the weekend, so a lot of people are going, going to camp or who knows what. Because, during the week, you're working. Most people would be at their jobs. And I don't think traveling this way, they're going to get to their jobs. I don't think so. Yeah, there's too many cars. And
The car behind me, since we went to Boston, the 90. That's a Hyundai.
Really?
Yeah, a long way behind. It disappeared for a while, then it came because she was speeding. Different names. The laws, they keep naming until they didn't find what name to give to the place. There's a lot of places to give the names. There is one they come using the 144 North from the job called Reed Avenue. Reed Road. Reed Road.
Reed Road.
Reed means reed.
R-E-E-D?
Yeah, E-A.
E-A.
Reed, to read. I mean to read. Not the
Right.
other.
Not the reed.
No,
the plant.
reed.
Yeah.
To read. I was wondering why they call it a reed. Maybe a lot of people, they were walking around reading.
Yeah, right.
That's why they call it, they name it. Everything is green.
It's heavier traffic too.
Huh?
Heavier traffic.
Yes, it is.
Carmel.
A lot of animals dead on the
Yeah.
small animals. They hit and they don't. Probably at night those.
Yeah. Well, that's why they have the road crew. The ones who cut the grass. They probably have a bunch of guys
Yes,
going up and down,
maybe that's why.
picking them up.
It's a village here.
Yep, fish kill. That's
Huh?
it. Newburgh. We're at the junction where you can go to Connecticut.
That's why I see a car, Connecticut.
Yeah.
Car, Connecticut.
Yeah, the green one. Yeah.
Some names they've never heard. Beak, cheek.
Now you see, this used to be open. Now it's closed.
This here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So a lot of things have changed.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Down there.
A lot.
But that's good thing you came. At least you know what is what.
Yeah.
Correction center.
There's Newburgh.
South, 100 south. Thank you, George, very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate your company.
Oh, that's great.
Everything.
That's wonderful. It gives me an opportunity to
Yeah.
get out of Albany.
Yeah. Change the atmosphere.
That's right. That's right.
Taconic State Parkway, south. That's a beautiful this one.
Yeah, a lot of cows. I guess it's a dairy farm.
Yeah.
That place that you're talking about, maybe that stop was when we were on the Route 9. Maybe it was on the Taconic.
Yeah,
we
yeah.
passed it.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
Yeah.
Maybe everything changed with that time. Taconic was going now tolls was going all the way up.
Yeah, but when we didn't go to Massachusetts.
No, we went all the way until we got to I-90. I remember. We merged into I-90.
Well, we took the Hudson exit.
You mean that time?
Yeah.
That time.
No, this time.
Oh.
This time we took
yeah.
the Hudson instead of going to the gate.
Yeah, because before we used all Taconic all the way up.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
So now with this one, taking the Hudson exit, that was the first time. Because normally I would go to the Taconic from the beginning and go down, but this is even better. It's better. You get all the orchards and everything else. It's nice.
Probably saving time this one.
I'll be coming back this way, I think, for sure.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
I said, just remember how you get from the airport. That's the main.
Yeah.
That's the main I'm thinking. That's why. Well, you just remember the three.
Yeah. Well, you know what? Even if I get lost, even if I miss something, I know if I head towards Manhattan,
you will find your way.
Yeah, because once I get into Manhattan, I go straight north, and then eventually on 135th Street, I'll see the.
Just remember those 3 steps from the airport.
Yeah.
To change, for example, this 3. Once you get this 3,
right, then it goes up.
Yeah.
Everything. Yeah.
It will be one way.
Yeah.
That's why I said just remember the 3 steps from the airport.
Yeah.
How you get from where you drop me off? You get off from second step after that.
Yeah.
And
somebody else got stuck. Wow. What happened? Oh, it broke down. Yeah, it's the other thing I'm always leery of. Who do I call if I break down, you know?
You have the insurance there. You have a number there.
Oh, there is a number.
Look at it now.
Oh, okay.
You should have.
Okay.
Or you still can call them. Look on the other side. Open it.
All right. I have the insurance company, right?
The insurance, there is no number there. Mine, I have a number there. You still can call your insurance.
Oh, yeah. 800. I 800 number.